गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Good morning and dear friends and colleagues. అందరికీ ముందుగా 75వ ఇండిపెండెన్స్ డే అందరికీ బెస్ట్ విషెస్ శుభకామనాएं. Very important future generations and सबको मुबारक हो and बधाई हो 75 years on the occasion of the 75 years of Indian independence. So let us have today's very brief, I would like to have a very brief speech because of COVID restrictions, and the world has lost many people, almost 5 billion people, and India also, and very very grief and a very very sorrow thing. We express a very very deep sense of feeling for their families. So at least from that experience, second wave and third wave also, we should learn lessons. For example, yesterday in many countries number is increasing. Near and dear, very very safe stay and joyful stay. Thank you very much for all of you. Particularly today we have 3 guests here, COVID warriors. Earlier last time we have felicitated our own internal COVID warriors, Devnasa, Dr. Hemabindu. These 2 internal COVID warriors we awarded and we celebrated their contributions. Today, a very important day and very important 3 guests, COVID warriors, Chandrakala Madam, medical officer, and 2 other colleagues. All of you must have seen that whenever we have visited, and I think almost all of you got vaccinated, twice I think, including youngsters. In future also we will be doing anybody's second dose. Madam was very very proactive. Chandrakala ji, thank you very much. And also today's guest, children, very important future generations, and सबको मुबारक हो and बधाई हो 75 years on the occasion of the 75 years of Indian independence. One of the important contribution ఏంటంటే within no time, within 2-3 years, a training institute was molded into think tank research policy institute. Successfully, very very celebratingly, within 2.5-3 years we have really made greatest contribution. That's what our RAC feeling is, that we have done wonderfully well. So it is a great occasion to celebrate, and what we give back on 75th on this occasion. So really the mandate which is given by ICR, we are fulfilling, and we will do our level best. And at the same time, our training and capacity buildings are in full swing. Despite of all COVID challenges, we are increasing large number of trainings, and we will do so. Another important feature is that we are reaching to the most of the campuses. Several, maybe Meerut, maybe Jhansi, and maybe Assam, maybe Andaman, maybe Andhra, Telangana, and many places, maybe Maharashtra, we are reaching every corner of the India to sensitize students, to off-campus training, several other activities. So, आपको सबको आभारी हूँ, आप सब लोग मेरे साथ दिया, and we have achieved great, and we will do our level best. Our 2 books were released on the foundation day of ICR. 2 books were released, both Farmers First and almost, and another is a forecast book. That is also some important, significant achievement. We welcome Mukulras. We are welcoming you. So many of our colleagues promoted as Tribulus, Mr. Satyanarayana, Narasimha, Mrs. Lakshmi, Andalu, Ravi, and we also welcome our own Joint Director, Dr. Venkateswaru, is not new person, and he was ADG. You all know that he has come from headquarters to now, and Avinash, Dr. Vijay Avinash, and also we welcome. This year, one of the happiest thing is that we got 60 students have joined ABM. Always we cherish their presence in the campus. Particularly myself, always when they are in the campus is vibrant. So we believe that, and that is the future of the agriculture. And we are expecting 200 Focarians, Focar scientists this year end. So examination is on third week of August. Time we are also going to organize newly joined vice chancellors, some of the project coordinators, and newly joined directors of ICR Institute. So there are many. Dear colleagues, the uniqueness of yesterday, you must have seen that Honorable President of India's speech. Everybody is speaking about agriculture. Especially during COVID period, you know that how challenges are there, food security. So I would like to, especially for the sake of young people, the world is moving around India, and we followed particularly the path of, though our freedom struggle was time consuming, what Mahatma Gandhi said that let us take appropriate way, non-violence. మీ అందరికీ ప్రమోషన్స్ వస్తే మారద్దు మనుషులు. నేను కూడా నేర్చుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, నేను సైంటిస్ట్ గా ఎలా ఉన్నానో, క్రీడా డైరెక్టర్ గా అలానే ఉన్నాను, నాన్ డైరెక్టర్ గానే ఎలా ఉన్నాను, ఎప్పుడూ లేనే ఉంటాను. అందరినీ అదే రకంగా గౌరవిస్తాను. ఎవరు వచ్చినా కుర్చీలోనే కూర్చోబెడతాను. ఎవరు వచ్చినా, ట్రిబుల్ఎస్ వచ్చినా, స్టూడెంట్స్ వచ్చినా సరే ఎదురు కూర్చి ఒక మారద్దు ఎవరు. అదే రకంగా మీరు కూడా పని చేయాలి. చాలా మంది ప్రమోషన్స్ వచ్చాయి. మీ అందరితో స్వీట్స్ అందరూ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ చేశారు. మన అమ్మ కూడా డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ చేసింది. చాలా మందికి అలానే ఉండి పోస్టులన్నీ నిమిత్త మాత్రం. సో మనం ఎప్పుడు ఒకే రకంగా ఉండి ఇంకా బాగా పనిచేయాలి. దట్ ఈస్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. మై బెస్ట్ విషెస్ టు ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ, and all our PGDMA students get better placement, better all the achievements for my best wishes. All my NAM colleagues, they will contribute immensely, and they will elevate NAM and keep doing greater work with great zeal, and at the same time and deal with the farmers' constraint. My best wishes.
Good morning, friends. Let me also take this opportunity to wish you 75th Independence Day. 75वां स्वाधीनता दिवस पर आप सबको बहुत बधाई और शुभकामनाएं. In this devastating pandemic, one section of the society, that is the doctors and the paramedical staff, they are trying day and night to fight with this coronavirus, round the clock, putting their lives in stake. We are fortunate today that one such COVID warrior is with us. She is none other than Dr. Chandrakala Madam, our medical officer, Government Hospital Rajendra Nagar. Thank you so much, madam. We are fortunate that we have got that opportunity to felicitate you as a COVID warrior. Now I request our director, sir, Dr. K. Srinivas Rao, sir, to welcome as well as felicitate Madam Sarojini. Memento as a remembrance, madam. Civil Hospital, Madam Rajalakshmi. So they have helped us a lot. Madam Rajalakshmi, pharmacist of CAC Rajendra Nagar.
Good morning to all of you. Today we are celebrating the 75th Independence Day of our great country by honoring the father of the nation, remembering our national heroes, and saluting the army jawans and soldiers who are standing guard on our borders to allow us to breathe the air of freedom. In this regard, in order to further lift the spirit of freedom at this hour and to allow us to bask in the patriotic fervor, our PGDM AVM students are going to organize a small culturals. I invite Mr. Akil, PGDM AVM 2020-22 batch to just conduct the proceedings. Please.
जिंदा रहने के मौसम बहुत है मगर जान देने की रुत रोज आती नहीं कुछ और इश्क दोनों को रुसवा करे वो जवानी जो खून में नहाती नहीं जन्मसारिणि भारतम् कर्ममीदिनि भारतम् நம்மளாம் ஜனகோடிகள் அம்மையாகிய பாரதம்
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तान हमारा है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तान हमारा है।
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो,
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो।
वतन मेरे वतन
वतन मेरे वतन,
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से
मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से।
पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी वो याद रहे
they also kept us in the mood for extended time. So thank you so much. Let us give a very big round of applause to our students. I thank Director and all the staff for showing us praise and then giving us support to show our solidarity in this hour of dedication. So thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Respected Director, Joint Director, Heads of Divisions, Faculty, JDR, CFO, and staff of the non-security services and all outsourcing staff. Today I am going to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of the Independence Celebration Committee and chaired by our Joint Director, Dr. B. Venkateswara Garu, and members of the JDR, CFO, SAO, and Dr. Ganesh Kumar and myself. Really, it is a very happy occasion today. Tremendous support and cooperation from administration headed by Sri Pansalji and SAO Sri Mukullal Singh ji, and from finance and accounts Sri Kilji Garu, and various servicing units like hostel headed by the Dr. Balakrishnan, farm services by the Dr. Ramesh Nayak, and OSC electrical Sri Mohan Singh ji, and vehicle section M. Shekhar Reddy, and my own sections training unit, outsourcing and security services. They did very good job, particularly for coverage of photo coverage, Mr. Ravi, and Rajagopal Rao for arranging the PAE system, and Shiva Reddy for video coverage. Last but not least, 2 persons tremendously worked for the event. They have taken lot of burden. Those are Mr. Murahari and from training unit, and Lakshman from directors. Those are the persons. After the reservation also they disturbed, but again they did in the same position, thanks to themselves. Now, thanks to the director and joint director for their guidance and giving this opportunity.